Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up for likes, and share this content in this video and leave comments down below. We'd like to once again thank all our subscribers, thank all our viewers for being able to view these last 3 episodes, and I'm glad that you were able to get some kind of value out of this content. We like to get started in our episode 3 about the truth about Doordash. And our topics that we're going to be dealing with today will be completion ratings, missed deliveries, unassigned orders, and blindfold offers. And before we actually get off into each subject, we're going to give the grand slam of the week to Undergroundsource, Out of the Ashes, and Nate Dogg MSU. They have some very important comments that they made, and this is where the idea came from, or originated from those 3 comments that they made, and we turned it into this topic. I told you, ladies and gentlemen, that we will be, finding comments that intrigue me, and we will turn it into relevant topics, and we will feature your name for those comments that made this topic relevant. Now, I would like to read the comment that Undergroundsource talked about, and this was 2 weeks ago. And in the comment section, Undergroundsource said, "My first day was today, and I noticed I guessed late orders. I was taken out of the zone and on my way back to my area. I was getting orders for one item, like tea, or one for smoothie. I looked at it, and it would take me at least 10 miles to get to the business. Then I wanted me to head back 8 miles. It was for $2 for the both of them. I clicked decline, and when I got to my hotspot, I declined similar orders but same price. Waited about 10 minutes and declined, and I got a message on the app saying, 'We noticed you have been declining orders, a lot of orders, and we will end your dash. Is it better to let the timer run out?'" I answer his question, and it's a lot of misconceptions. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of misconceptions out there that just let the timer run out. That way I don't have to worry about declining orders and all of that. But this is what I said to Undergroundsource, and I'm going to be saying the same thing to you. No, it will count as a missed delivery, and that will affect your completion rating. You can pause your dash, and then the timer will be 35 minutes. Unassigned orders and missed delivery will affect your completion rating. However, you can't get deactivated for a low acceptance rating, but you can get deactivated for a low completion rating. Anything below 80% on the completion rating will get you deactivated. If you let the timer run out, it will count as a missed delivery. This will affect your completion rating. Remember that if you decline 5 orders in a row, Doordash will end your dash. There's 5 solutions to this problem. Dash in another zone or market that will give you better offers. Better offers equal less declines. Pause your dash, and the timer will be 35 minutes. That way you are able to get back into your zone. Number 3, choose your orders wisely. Don't accept offers that goes past 4 miles, and study your market. Number 4, sign up for other gig platforms, Grubhub, Uber Eats, Instacart, and check out Easy Cater if these are in your area. Then you will be able to multi-app. Check out my multi-apping series on my playlist. Please feel free to contact me for questions and concerns. Thanks for watching these videos. It keeps me humble. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we want to talk about completion rating. And it's a misconception that everybody's sitting up here thinking that, okay, I can just let the timer run out, easy peasy, I'm good as gold. Doordash won't be ending my dash. But you did not think about completion rating. You can check it out for yourself. You don't have to take my words. Next time you sit there and let the timer run out, first look at your completion rating. Then the next time you let that timer run out, Then go back and look at your completion rate. And again, you're going to see I know what I'm talking about. Now, completion rate, and you'd be like, well, I'm a cherry picker. I don't have to worry about them things. Okay. With that type of mindset, you will be making less money. You won't be maximizing your earnings. You may sit there and say you will. But DoorDash has learned how to multi-app. And the way DoorDash multi-app is, they got these different programs. And if you want to be an elite dasher and you just want to multi-app off of a single platform, then you have to use these strategies. You have to use these features. You have to use these programs that DoorDash is giving you. Top Dasher program, large order program, drive program. You got to have a completion rate up to 95%. Okay. Now, this is something I want to share real quick with you because I've been experiencing it. I'm going to go to my DoorDash application right now. And I'm going to go whether you hit the hamburger icon and all of that. And we're going to go to completion rate. All right, this is what we got right now that we want to show. Let me put it up. Yeah. I want to show. I might need to change the light for a minute. Hold on. Let me see. Can I change the mode right quick? Nah, I'm going to keep. I can't do it right now. I'm pressing for time. All right. Back to the ratings. From right there, they showing me 93%. I'm at 95%. Is showing 93. I have accepted a stack order. Now, if I'm in the drive program and the large catering program, check this out, ladies and gentlemen. It's letting me know if I were to decline, it's going to drop to 93. And the large catering program has a criteria to it that if you got to meet this criteria, 95% and higher for the completion rate, 4.7 on the customer rate and higher. Okay, back at the completion rate. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, I do not want y'all flirting with 95%. You turn around and say, man, I got 95%. You didn't go back and check that you finna drop. You go ahead and turn around, unassign both of them. Next thing you know, you down to 93%. Guess what? You don't qualify for the large order program anymore. You don't qualify for the drive program anymore. So I suggest to you that don't flirt with 95. Get that bad boy up between 98 percentile and higher, the way you have a little bit of wiggle room in between there when you get ready to do this. When receiving stack orders, watch out for blindfold offers that are unacceptable and wasting your time. Remember, time is money in this business. Note, DoorDash will decrease your completion rate in 2% to trick dashers from unassigned and blindfold offers. But if you already flirting with 95%, and I just showed you that they showing me if I don't get these two orders, I drop down to 93%. Now, if I was on the large order program, pizza program, and if I was on the drive program, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I won't qualify anymore for the large order program, nor the drive program. Why? Because I don't meet the qualifications for it. Think about that there. So I'm going to hit pause and resume play. That's what I thought everybody need to know about the completion rate. You see, it's very imperative. Watch out for the missed deliveries. The missed deliveries will go against your completion rating. Stack orders. If you unassign both of them, that's going to be 2% off of your completion rate. It will hurt you. If you're flirting with 95%, you will no longer be eligible for the catering programs. I thought you need to know that. People, telling me that I'm out here telling too much information. That's what they want to say, but they turn around and say this. Man, you're telling them all your secrets. No, I'm not telling you all my secrets now. Because letting you know about the completion rate help you. It don't hurt me because I already know this here. Well, you know we got competition. Yeah, I know all about that. But I didn't tell my whole playbook. I don't have my whole playbook on YouTube. But these are things that drivers need. These are things that our viewers need. These are things that our subscribers need so they won't get deactivated, so they can stay in business. I'm still going to help the community. I know what I'm doing. I might be new to the scene, but I'm not new to the game. I've been doing gig economy since 2017, ladies and gentlemen. And one of these episodes, I'm going to talk about when it got started in this area here and all of that. But right now, I can't do it. And right now, I'm getting a phone call and all of this good stuff. I'm going to hit pause and resume play. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you something before I take this delivery in there to the customer. Let's go back to the completion rating again. You're going to see the completion rating saying 93. Okay. When I drop off the next order, you'll see what I'm talking about. Because I like to show proof. Because you got certain people like to rebuttal what you're saying. Okay, she had a McAllister order. Okay, that's it right there. Alright. And get this McAllister order out, ladies and gentlemen. Then I'm going to hit pause and resume play. And when we get to the next address, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm getting ready to hit pause and resume play. I'll see you in a minute. Well, we're back right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you get when you
turn left onto Clear Point Drive, then your destination will be on the left.
When you're doing ride-alongs and without editing them. This is the reason why when they do ride-alongs, they do a lot of editing. Live stream, this is what you're gonna see. You know, we in shade. I'm in shade. You can't see me right now. But when we get ready to drop this food off and everything, you're gonna understand that, oh wow, this is what he was talking about. And the traffic taking long. All of a sudden it's congested now because, like I said, it's Friday, it's lunch, people getting off early, half a days, and all of that kind of stuff. So here we go. It's sunny and all of that. Okay. Now, voila, you see me. I may have to cut that footage out.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Customer requested you leave the order at their door. Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
All right, here we go. We're going to be beaming me up. All right. All right. Now, we get ready to drop this order off. I'm going to hit pause and resume play, and then you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute when I was telling you about the completion rate. I showed you earlier that it was at 93%. Watch what happens when I finish this delivery. I'm getting ready to, hold on. Make sure I got the ice cold. Lemonade. I'll go back through the back here. Got everything they need right here. Oh yeah, it's off. All right, we're gonna hit pause and resume play, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Both of them orders was $6.75 a piece. This is what I want to show you. We're out of the delivery zone. I'm finished with both of them orders, right? We're going to show you what the completion rate is showing now. Dang, hold on. See it, don't you? Right there. 95, voila. See, so that's what you got to be aware of. Right there, what I just showed you. I'll probably go down the street here and finish the rest of this episode and go in this shade. I only got less than 4 minutes to explain what I'm getting ready to explain. But this is what we got to look at. Missed deliveries. Now, that's what we want to talk about real quick. What causes missed deliveries? A distraction. A distraction can cause you to miss a delivery. Receiving an offer you didn't see can cause a missed delivery. Your timer ran out can cause a missed delivery. Note, missed deliveries affect your completion rating. Once again, missed deliveries. I just got a hit. Hold on. They think I'm gonna take this. Look at it. They're trying to see. This is what I'm talking about with Doordash. See, this kind of stuff goes on. No, I'm not going there. This is what you can do, ladies and gentlemen. You can hit that icon and go here. And when you go there, you see that information. That's what I was talking about in the last episodes. Hit back real quick, make your decision, look at your zip code, and hit decline. You only have 30 seconds to do it. All right, we can read in our dash real quick. Pause it rather. All right. Now, blindfold offers is what I want to talk about next. What is a blindfold offer? Hold on. I thought I knocked that out the way. Okay, there we go. Blindfold offers. What is a blindfold offer? Receiving an offer that Doordash sneaked in, and it's an unacceptable offer. And when you're trying to decline offers and DD keep giving it to you anyway, you're trying to decline, screen go blank, boom. Next thing you know, you got the offer. Now you got to go drop this bad boy off. That's a blindfolded offer. They do it in stack orders too. They'll sneak that bad boy in there. A low paying offer, longer miles, no tip. Blindfold offer. You can accidentally or unintentionally accept an unacceptable offer. Those are blindfold offers, ladies and gentlemen. And we wanted to share this information with you because I think that it was very important, very imperative that you know the truth about Doordash. And this is the truth about them when it comes to completion rating. This is the truth about missed deliveries. This is the truth about blindfold offers. This is the truth about flirting with the completion rating, thinking all I got to do is let the timer run out. I don't have any problems. But if you're in these programs, that's how you can disqualify yourself for them programs. Watch your missed deliveries. Watch your unassigned orders. And also make sure that you're there on time and watch out for these blindfold offers that they trying to force everybody to receive. Now, I hope that you got some value out of this content. And if you did, we would like for you to subscribe, watch these videos, give us a thumbs up for more content, put comments down below and tell us what you think about the completion rating. I would like to see you put down what is your completion rating. And also, if you got comments about the missed delivery, any questions or concerns, put them down in the comments below about missed deliveries. Unassigned orders. That's after you done picked up the order and you go into the restaurant and then you decide, I'm not going to go to the restaurant. I'm going to go ahead and unassign this order. Bam. You better make sure you're at the restaurant when you unassign the order if you don't want to get deactivated, if you know what I mean. So after that, share this video with someone else so they can get some value from this content. Once again, I thank all of my subscribers, all the viewers that watches these episodes. Please leave comments down there. If those comments intrigue me, you best better believe it will be featured in the next episode, which I'm going to have to go ahead and feature Out of the Ashes and Nate Dogg MSU in the next video. I want to feature them. We got a topic on what they talking about, which is pertaining to this right here. So let's be careful out there and don't let Doordash pimp us out. Peace, take care, and have a great day.